Welcome back to our channel, Dave and Rose Travels. In this video, we are at the Encore at the Wynn on the beautiful Las Vegas Strip, where we will be showing you the check-in process. Then we will show you a tour of this fabulous 5-star Encore Resort King Suite. And we have some strong opinions about this suite, so make sure you stay tuned and watch this video. Dave and Rose Travels. Don't forget to subscribe. It's the only way to see future content. Plus, we need subscribers.
Their systems.
Usually, the kiosk works great and is a lot easier than digital check-in, where you get a digital key, which, in our opinion, doesn't work the best all the time. And it beats standing in line. And even though the system was down for a moment, it's all right because it's a lot easier than standing in line and having to wait and check in. Without further ado, hold on a moment. If you haven't seen one of our previous videos, like the one where we take you to the fabulous Bellagio Hotel and Casino and show you what one of their rooms looks like inside, then you should click on this video and you should watch it. Let's talk about this fabulous Encore Resort King Suite. If you haven't had a chance to stay at an Encore Resort King Suite, then you are missing out. We obtain this room by simply signing up for the Wynn Resort Loyalty Program. I know we said we had some opinions about this Encore room. Even though the Wynn rooms are remodeled, we have to say that the Encore room is by far the best. Here in the future, I will do a video that will show you the comparisons between an Encore room and a Wynn room. Stay tuned for clips for our upcoming video.
10 minutes later.
We have a great video coming your way where we will be going to the famous Sinatra restaurant that's located inside of the Wynn Casino and Resort Hotel. The Sinatra restaurant boasts a tasty, inspired Sinatra menu. And if you aren't subscribed to our channel, Dave and Rose Travels, then you should do so right now. Click that subscribe button. Maybe click the like button and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when our next and upcoming video is released.